Audrey, what do you have? Come here. Come here.
You look fine. Okay,
Audrey,
so pink's not your color.
are you a San Diego dog?
You love your new hat, huh? You want to see it in the mirror.
Hey. You don't like your hat?
You're a Dodger fan.
But you're getting sunburn on your head, and it'll protect you. I promise. No need to fight.
It's a little bit further back. Keep looking.
Hey, it's falling off. Let me fix it. There we go.
You love the Padres, don't you?
You love the Padres, huh? Oh, now the hat's all screwed up.
You want a whole fire out, don't you?
You want, Audrey, it's supposed to go like that. I take it you don't like it.